today we're gonna do a really interesting video, which is types of sneezers, and I'm not gonna take it really
fun.
long.
And
So,
we're just gonna say one thing. Let's get into it.
My hands are dirty. No need to wash them. Just relax. Nothing is happening.
Oh no, something is going to happen bad. कुछ तो बुरा होगा. My video has been done. If you like it, please subscribe, like and share. Now I'm going.